Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today we've got a very special product review. So this is something to spice up and entice those relationships. So I found this product while browsing something on Reddit that led to another thing. It led to the site that actually hosted this other little device thing that I saw that I just thought was absolutely hilarious and wanted to know more about. So this isn't that one, but this is something very similar. So if you're after a little game or something to spice up your relationship, playwithme.com have probably your solution. Now, this isn't sponsored, even though that sounded very sponsored. This is just something that piqued my interest and I thought was hilarious, and I thought, why the hell not? Get this for me and Amy to play when we're together. She's currently away and will be for a few months. So what I'm talking about is the adult version of Twister, Fondle. So what this is, if you can see on the back, we've got a little board on there. Much like a Twister board, but you got fruit bits on there rather than dots, because it is a fruity hands-on game. So basic rules are, like Twister, you have 4 pairs of glasses as well. So it's a 4-player game, like Twister. So the colours represent each little quadrant here. When we get to the unboxing, that'll make a lot more sense. As you spin the spinner, it can land on a few different little things, whether that be bum, thigh, nipple, or face. So, having a look at the box out here, one thing I have noticed with it is that it is quite a cheap box. So this was about, I think, £40? No, £24. About 40 something US dollars, I think it was, when I paid my way through PayPal. And it came like this, in a plastic sleeve sort of thing, and yeah, it's been knocked around a little bit. There's a few little minor bits of damage you might be able to see there, a few little tears on the box, and it's quite flimsy, and even that corner there, and it's quite flimsy. But you know what more than made up for it is that they gave me another game, bigger or smaller. So this is basically like your high card, low card, and yeah, the winner is the bigger. Oh dear. Okay, I can't show those on YouTube at all. They're very, very much uncensored cards. So if you want to order your own set of this, playwithme.com. So enough about that, let's have a look what's actually inside the box. Okay, so back on the bed for the unboxing. Okay, so here we have our spinner. I'll have a look at that in a sec. We have 4 pairs of very cheap looking plastic glasses. Oh, actually, no. They're not too bad. They're rugged enough, and they fit an adult head. I've got quite a big head, I know. So they look more they're more impressive in person than what they probably look like on here. We have some rules. So you can have a 2-player game, 3-player game, or 4-player game. So a player is out when their bum touches the floor, or they refuse to perform an action or forfeit. So that meaning, let's have a look at the 3-player one. On here we've got, you know, your right foot, banana, watermelon, cherry, or avocado. Right hand, left foot, left hand. And then you land on the hands. And then I think if you land on the fondle, from what I can gather is you make up a dare. So you can take a shot of alcohol. You can strip an item of clothing. You can, what are some of the other things on here they've got? Do a little dance, moo like a cow, hee-haw like a donkey, kiss a person to your right, kiss a person to your left, kiss a person opposite. And you've just got your standard little spinner. Okay, and then of course we have the playing mat. So I'll move that one out of the way. which is quite big by the look of it. Okay, they've got their own branding on the mat there as well. So it's very clear that they're happy with this. Wow. Imagine trying to fit 4 people onto that mat. And I believe that the spinner goes there from the video I've seen. Okay, so there's only 3 of each fruit on there. So if all 4 people get an avocado, someone has to forfeit as well. This thing smells really, really, really plasticky. Just saying. So being 6'2" sort of thing. Yeah, wow. That's not a lot of playroom. So you will be close and up in each other's space when playing. Now, I'm going to just use it on a corner. You know what? That's actually pretty stretch resistant. If we pull it out, it does go back to its original shape. Good. Yeah, seeing that little bit there, that went back as well. The little decals on here all seem to be pretty good as well. I'll just try and stretch that blue one. And once again, it goes back to its original shape and size. So, pretty good quality little mat. Very light. I'm sure if you went at it with a knife, you would poke holes in it and stuff. But why would you? Unless, hey, knife play is one of your things. In which case, go nuts. But that is everything that's in the box. Your glasses, your spinner, your mat, your rules. Okay, so here we are, I suppose, a few months later, when Amy's finally home, and we've got some time to actually play this. So, the rules are the same as whatever, and we're just going to give you a quick demonstration. Notice too that every time we land on a fondle, we're going to cluck like a chicken. Just a okay? Yeah.
Yes.
So, rather than doing anything like consuming alcohol or taking any clothing off. Okay. So, I'm going to be blue and green, Amy's going to be yellow and pink, red, whatever the hell that is. So, one of the things you've got to make sure is that it's on a playing surface where you can get that to go around. That is right hand cherry.
Mm.
Yep. So unlike Twister, you spin the thing yourself.
Right foot avocado.
Okay. Okay.
I have a chicken.
Right foot melon.
There we go.
That's your own.
Do I touch my butt?
Oh, you can touch your own butt if you want.
Or do I do a begic?
That's meant the rules aren't begic.
Oh. Okay.
Left hand banana.
I'm going to spin it the other way.
No, well done.
Yeah.
Nope, that's your own nipple.
Okay. Maybe it does work better with 4 players.
What's that? Is that right foot? No,
Or left.
Melon.
This is great up here, Ribbon.
Well, at least I'm in the camera. Oh, that's your own nipple again.
Okay. That looks like a banana.
Right foot banana.
Oh. Oh.
You have to touch my nipple.
Is that my left or right here?
Oh, it's any.
My hand?
Bagat!
Oh, okay.
Bagat!
Oh, what's that? My
That is left foot.
melon. Yeah. Oh, this is much better for me.
Bagat! Certainly is a lot of fondle. That's right hand avo.
Oh no. Oh Oh no.
Oh no! Oh! Oh! How the tables have turned.
Did you even go?
Hey?
You don't even have the avocado!
No, it's on the melon. Uh-oh.
Which one's that?
That would be right foot. Cherry. Left foot cherry?
Yep.
Right hand cherry? That's already there.
Move it to another cherry ribbon. But there is no other cherry, is it? Oh, no, I'm taking the cherry.
Left hand bananas.
Oh no! Oh!
Oh, that's right on the line, isn't it? So it's either left foot goes to banana or
Athletes.
Avo, left foot.
No!
It's right next to the banana here. Yeah, there you go. Oh dear.
I'm not very strong.
Blue. No, that's mine. Bagak! Jesus.
Bagak!
Red. It's hidden so YouTube can't see this.
Oh my god, my legs!
Yeah, your forefoot.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I just won. So, what were your feelings of the game, Muffins?
It's an adult version of Twister.
Yeah, there's a lot of I suppose with 4 people, you might end up touching a lot of people more, but
Oh, 100% you would.
it didn't really translate that way with just 2 people playing. So there's still a lot of real estate that's Fondles, as well as your own 2 colours, so maybe with more people it'd be more fun. But you could see too, if you were drinking or had other challenges, the Fondles would be more than just the Gurks, because there were quite a lot of them. So, would you recommend Fondle to people, Muffins?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah, just as a good little bit of fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I know. When we're able to have other people over again, because we're currently locked down over here, so it would be maybe a bit of fun. We get to know people a lot more, depending on what dares we come up with as well. But anyway, so that's a bit of Fondle. Yeah, a little bit of fun. Nothing too bad, but I suppose too with the Fondles you can make it as bad as you want to be. Yeah. Anyway guys, that's it for this one. I will see you in the next video.